Good day, viewers. You're welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. Today we are going to solve the derivatives, or the differentiation of trigonometry functions. I have treated this into details, but I want to throw more light on them. So let us recall these. We said that when you have a function of, say, that's y equals f of x, when you differentiate y, what do you have? You have dy over your dx, when you differentiate f of x, you have f prime of x. Everything is well explained, Just visit my previous lecture videos on introduction to trigonometry differentiation. Now recall that we said when you have cos x, when you differentiate cos x, you are getting, let's start with sin x. We have sin x. When you differentiate sin x, we have cos x. When you have cos x, when you differentiate cos x, you have negative sin x. When you have tan x, when you differentiate tan x, you will have secant squared x, that's sec squared x. Now when you have cot x, you have negative cosec squared x. And when you have sec x, when you differentiate, when you find the derivative of sec x or secant x, you have sec x tan x. And lastly, when you have cosec x, you have negative cosec x, and you have cot x. Viewers, if you are new here, visit my previous lecture videos on this. I've given tips and hints, to all these, how to recall all of them. I've done everything over there, so we are going to use this to differentiate trigonometry functions. I have a question on the board. Say, differentiate the following function with respect to x. Number one, we have 4 sec x minus 9 cos x. This question, is very, very trivial. So I have 4 sec x minus 9 cos x. And you want to find the derivative of this function. So we have dx of this. You want to differentiate this way, 4 sec x. This way, you can do it this way. Then minus, then you find the derivative of this 9 cos x. So we have 4. Now when you differentiate sec x, what is the result? Viewers, come here. When you differentiate sec x, you have a sec x tan x. So if you can't recall this, then that means you are in trouble. So I have what? Sec x tan what? Tan x. They have minus, what do you have here? You have your 9 here. Now when you differentiate cos x, viewers, come here, cos x. what are we getting? We are getting negative sine x. So I have what? Negative sine what? Sine x. So therefore, we have 4 sec x tan x, then negative and negative. When they are multiplied, okay, when they commute, you have positive. Now I have 9 sine x. As simple as that. So this is the solution to the first question. The second question, we have 3 sine x plus 10 tan x. What do we have to do? We have to differentiate this and that. So I have d dx of 3 sine x this way, then plus you differentiate this, you have d dx, then of 10, then have tan x. So I have 3, when you differentiate sine x, what are you getting? You are getting cos x, then plus, you have tan, that's 10. When you differentiate tan x, what are we getting? We are getting what? Sec squared what? Sec squared x. We see how simple it is. And the last question, we have 5, then you have cot x minus 6 cosec x. So you are going to find the derivative of this term and the derivative of this term, okay? So I have d dx of 5 cot x, then I have minus, then I have derivative of the second term, which is 6 cosec x. Now we have 5. Now when you differentiate cot x from the board, okay, we had negative what? Cosec, yeah, cot x. We had negative cosec squared x. Squared what? X this way. Then I have my minus here. What do I have? I have 6. Then when you differentiate cosec x, what do you have? You have negative cosec x, then what? You have cot x from here. Cosec x, when you differentiate, you have what? Negative cosec x, cot x. As simple as that. So class, negative times 5, I have negative 5, then I have cosec squared x, then negative and negative, you have positive 6 cosec x, then you have what? Cot x. So viewers, this is the end of the tutorials on differentiation of trigonometry functions. Bye.